First I open the practical. This one's called hydropower, and because this is the first time I'm marking this one, I have to open the G4IA program and enter the details for this practical. So here's the program. I've already got all the names of students and the other practicals. This one I'm adding here to the practicals, so it's called hydro. On the tablet PC I have to type by using a special keyboard that I call up. There it is. So I type hydro, and I add in the date which it took place, and I add in the topic from the subject guide that's already programmed into G4IA. I then say how long it took at the time, in this case 1 hour, and what type of ICT I was using. So in this case it's graph plotting and spreadsheet, and then I say what criteria am I going to assess. So in this case it's DCP and CE. I then go back to the practical file, which is in a Word document, and I start reading it and make some comments. So here I just write comments in red ink, actually writing directly onto the tablet PC, so I can draw arrows and circle things that I want to. So I make some comments here and there. You could do this using a tablet on the side of the PC, but it's a little bit more awkward. My tablet PC is quite convenient for doing this, so I can mark just as I've always marked for the past 30 years. So here's some comments about no maximum minimum lines, and so I'm writing these comments for the student, but also they might be used for the moderator to see actually what I was doing when I was marking. You don't have to do it on the PC, you can be doing it on paper, but it's much easier, I think, if you're doing it on the computer. I then go back to G4IA, put in the marks that I award for those grades. I then click add some comments from using the comments button, and when I finish that I just press the Word button, and the comments go straight on to the end of the Word document like that. Yes, and then it's sent back to the student.